Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a home valuation with Redfin detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Redfin website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the top. Enter your property address in the search bar. Click on the address from the drop-down suggestions. You will be directed to the property page. Here, you can find key information about the property. Scroll down to view the home details section. Take note of the property's features such as square footage, number of bedrooms, and bathrooms. Next, look for the estimated home value displayed prominently. This value is generated using Redfin's automated valuation model. To gain more insights, check the recent sales in your area. Scroll further down to the neighborhood section for additional context. This section includes similar homes that have recently sold. Compare their features to understand the valuation better. If you want a more personalized valuation, click on the Request a Home Valuation button. Fill out the required fields in the valuation request form. Provide accurate details about your home for the best estimate. Once completed, submit the form. You may receive a follow-up call or email from a Redfin agent. Review the valuation report when it arrives. This report will include a detailed analysis and comparison. Use the information to better understand your property's worth. That's how you create a home valuation with Redfin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.